Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of KFC style fried chicken. It turns out crispy and just amazing. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
Take around 600 to 650 gram chicken pieces with skin. It's better to have it with skin so that the batter sticks to the chicken well and the chicken comes out nice and crispy. To this, add 200 grams curd, 2 to 3 green chilies and 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, some salt to taste. Give everything a very good mix. Now let this marinate for 3 to 4 hours at least. I'm going to let it marinate overnight. So here's my very well marinated chicken. Now let's prepare the dry mix to coat the chicken. So here I've taken 3/4 cup maida. To this I'm adding 3/4 cup cornflour, 1/4 cup plain oats, this is optional, 2 teaspoon garlic powder. You can check out my video on how to make ginger, garlic and onion powder at home. 1/2 teaspoon red chilli powder, I'm using Kashmiri red chilli, 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder, 2 teaspoon mixed herbs, 1/2 teaspoon crushed black pepper, some salt, and now mix this well. Now we'll prepare the egg mixture. So for that I'm taking 2 eggs at room temperature plus some salt. Whisk this using a fork or a spoon. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons maida and also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and make a thin mixture. Now take one chicken piece, remove the excess curd, place it in the dry mixture and cover it well with it. Use your hand to press the maida on the chicken. Now put it in the egg mixture. Adjust the consistency if you want to. Now put it back in the dry mixture. Press it with your hands, with your fingers like this. And there you go, this is ready. These chicken pieces are now ready to be fried. Now heat some cooking oil, drop a piece of maida or chicken. If it floats on the surface, that means the oil is ready. Then drop in a few pieces of chicken at a time and fry between medium to high flame for some time and then at high flame. Do not cook these on low flame, otherwise these will absorb a lot of oil. So be careful with that. Take out the chicken pieces once they become golden brown in color and similarly fry it. So here I fried all the chicken pieces, nice hot crispy from the outside, and these have come out really nice. If you marinate the chicken well, it will be very juicy and moist from the inside and will get cooked easily. So just have a look. I'm just trying to eat one. It's very hot. I'll take a bite directly. Yummy. It's so awesome. Try this recipe at home and enjoy.